Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TechTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Microsoft Word file if you forgot to save it or somehow your application crashed or stopped responding. So this video is going to help you recover this Microsoft Word file. Now this is Microsoft Word 2019 and this feature is available Microsoft Word 2013 and onwards. Okay, so if you have 10 or 7 you can try, but I'm not sure if this is going to help you. Now so go ahead and launch your Microsoft Word application, and this is specific to this Microsoft Windows operating system. If you are using Mac, the interface is not going to be the same, but if you're able to locate this autosave folder, the destination folder, hopefully the process is going to work for you as well. Now, so before I get started, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is really going to be helpful for my channel. So now let's get started right away. So I assume that you already have launched your application Word. Now once you are here, go to options. Now this is options, Word options window. Now you have to go to the save button, just click on it on the left, and now you can see this says save auto recover information every 2 minutes, but by default it's 10. I have reduced it to 2 minutes. You can customize if you wish to, you can increase or decrease. And then it says keep the last auto recovered version if I close without saving. So this is where it's going to, and it also says auto recover file location. So this is where it's going to keep your unsaved Word documents. So to recover it, you simply have to click on this browse, and you can see when it recovers, it simply puts in these folders. So this is going to be the name of the file, and you can see this is the last one. Okay, so these are the same files, and this is the latest time when it created this folder in this directory. So if I go ahead and open it, it's not there, but it could be available on your system. So what you have to do, once you find it, you have to double click on it and open that particular file and save it in a different folder, maybe a location on desktop. And once it's there on the desktop, saved with a different name or with the same name, doesn't matter, you can go ahead and open it, and that should be your recovery file. The other way, you can go ahead and copy this and go to Explorer and paste it in here, and at the same thing, we are at the same thing. Okay, here you see, so when I open this way, I can find it here are two this is basically recovery file. Okay, so you can see it says unsaved. What I need to do, I have to right click on it and then go to, let's see, open with, and then go to, let's see if I can find Word. Here we go. So you have to locate the Word. So what I did, I right clicked on it, on this unsaved file, and then I clicked on open with, and then I'm going to choose this Word. You can choose the WordPad as well, but this may not work. Here we go. Word cannot do this because dialog box is open. Please close the dialog box to continue. Now click OK, and this is the dialog box. We have to close it and open it once again. So let me redo it again. Go to open with and select, if you don't see Word here, just click on that and scroll down and then look for this Word application icon, select it and hit OK. So this is your recovered, basically recovered unsaved file. This is a recovered file that is temporarily stored on your computer. You can compare it or click on restore. This may not be available on 2013 and 16. This is 2019, and this has few more features that recovers in many cases files automatically. So here you can see this has been recovered, and what you can do once it's recovered, you want to make sure you save it in a different location. So what I'm going to do, go to this PC and then go to desktop. I can save it here on the desktop. Replace existing one. I already have recovered once, so this is why it's saying replace the existing one. I can go ahead and do so. So this is how you recover Microsoft Word on Microsoft Windows 10. You can see it's not responding, but it is. So this is how you can recover Microsoft Word on Microsoft Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.